I had a good idea for a video, and that is to see if I can tow a car with this charging cable. Now, just to prove to you that this is a real charging cable, I'm just going to plug it in and charge something. So, the USB part goes in, obviously. This is my modem, and I'm going to put the other end in. And there you go, charging. So, this is a fully functioning charging cable, but today it's going to go through the ultimate test. So it seems like the cable is made of some kind of nylon and maybe even some metal. So yeah, let's hope it can tow a car. I wish I had my father now to tie this knot.
You're going to tow?
You're going to tow. Sort of attached. Let's hope this works. Okay, so attempt number 1 to try and tow that polo that weighs 1.1 tons with this 1.25 ton Jetta. Right, William, you can go very, very, very slowly, huh? Slowly, right, pull. So that's it, I've done it. I'm in a little bit of shock because I just cannot believe that this charging cable managed to pull a car with a person in it. And in fact, I think it actually managed to pull more than a ton because my sister actually forgot to put the handbrake down. So for a few seconds there, it was just pulling and stretching even more than it should. And you can see it now, I mean, it looks quite stretched. The weird thing is, it still works perfectly though, and it still feels just as strong. And I'll prove that to you just now. Okay, so now I'm going to prove to you that this stretch cable that was used as a tow rope still works perfectly. So we just put the USB part in first. Then we get the micro USB, and let's plug that into my modem. There you go, still works perfectly. So yeah, I'll definitely say it's a good cable and definitely recommend it. So here's a little bit more detail about the cable and the place that you can buy it from.